Hello everyone. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. In this video, we are going to learn 1. What is accounting information? 2. Sources of accounting information. 3. Who are the users of accounting information? If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates. So let's get started. What is accounting information? Accounting is known as an information system. Accounting provides the necessary information to interested users. Thinking about the internal and external users, accounting records transactions, and publishes reports. Accounting information is the consolidated statement of all financial information of a business organization. The company's accounting department prepares and publishes reports of the company's financial operations. Different individuals and organizations use accounting information to suit their needs. Sources of accounting information. Business transactions are the main source of accounting information. From the business transaction, various accounting statements are prepared and published. The following statements could be referred to as the source of accounting information. 1. Comprehensive income statement. 2. Balance sheet or financial position statement. 3. Owner's equity statement. 4. Cash flow statement. 5. Notes and explanation. Who are the users of accounting information? Accounting provides valuable information about the financial condition of a firm. Stakeholders take an important decision based on this information. So we can divide the users of accounting information into two groups. 1. Internal users. 2. External users. 1. Internal users. Internal users of accounting information are those who plan, organize and run the business. Internal users include owners, manager, internal auditors, production supervisor, finance directors, company officers, line manager, board of directors, top-level officers, treasurer, company officers, marketing manager. 2. External users. External users are individuals and organizations or institutions outside a company that wants financial information about the company. External users include suppliers, banks, customers, investors, potential investors, general public, external auditors, tax authorities, regulatory agencies, labor union, researchers, economic planner, financial institutions, Securities Exchange Commission, a prospective buyer. That's all. I hope you got it. Please do not forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, please visit our official website, www.everythingaboutakcounting.info.